Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change ringtone in Microsoft Teams on Android. So how to change ringtone in Microsoft Teams on Android? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Microsoft Teams app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Microsoft Teams app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen. And a scrolling down menu will appear. Tap Settings menu. And tap the Calling menu. Here you can choose the ringtone you want to use. So that's it, this tutorial on how to turn off sync contacts in Microsoft Teams on Android. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.